Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking currency futures. Talk about the December yen futures contract, up slightly, about 14 basis points, settling right around 89.94 on the December futures. We are starting a second strong week in the Japanese yen futures and subsequently the yen versus the US dollar in the cash markets. Last week was the strongest week we'd seen in the yen since about mid-May, and we now have 7 of 8 sessions up in the Japanese yen future since making the low earlier in the month of around 87.74 in that December futures contract. We got a little bit of a flight to quality bid here in the yen. You can tell by looking at the gold contract, looking at the Swiss franc, that is part, if not all, of the bid we're seeing in the yen today. Prior to this move, this recent move, we had 6 of the last 8 months down in the yen versus the US dollar. So that's what tells you with this tension we've received, we've got this little bit of a short-term move in the other direction, a rally in the yen, that it is likely to be centered around flight to quality. We've also got the Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda talking yesterday in an interview with Bloomberg, and he talked about rates. He continually gets the question of when they're going to end QE, and he finally gave some guidance, some clear guidance, directly pointing to Bank of Japan interest rates as a sign that they're easing up accommodations, not to the amount of JGBs that they're purchasing. So they're going to move their interest rates prior to starting to take JGBs off, if they ever take JGBs off of the Bank of Japan's balance sheet. So when you look at it from that perspective, they're not looking to raise rates anytime soon. So you can say that accommodation in terms of monetary policy in Japan is likely to continue for quite a while. Hence that downtrend, that 6 of 8 month downtrend, and hence the statement that this is a flight to quality bid that we're seeing in the yen right now. This is Bob Iaccino talking Japanese yen from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.